Hi friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki, here with a linen closet organization video. Thanks to the sponsors of this video, my friends at iDesign. So let's get started. So we are in my client's linen closet, and I want to say first thanks to my client for allowing me to share this project with you. And it's typical of many linen closets. You know, over the years, you find that your closet looks out of sort because none of your towels match. You have different products in there that you typically use or don't use, and it just feels like chaos. So this is the norm for a lot of homes. So today I want to share with you some tips on how to remedy that. So over the years with your washcloths and towels and things, a lot of times how this happens is because you will buy a set, and then when a few pieces, are no longer usable, you'll buy a new set. It may be a different color, and then doing this over time, it kind of creates the chaos. And so one thing you can do is hit the reset button on your linen closet, and that's what we're going to do here today. So we're going to start by clearing everything out of the space. You know I love to start with a blank canvas, and then we're going to fill it with a fresh set of towels. And I love these towels from my friends at iDesign. The white are so soft, and we were just having a good time touching these towels. They were just really soft and beautiful. And it's important to have towels that you love using in your linen closet, and also how you fold them to keep things looking neat and orderly. And so you all know my typical fold, where I like to put the ends together, fold it over once, kind of straighten it out, and then fold it over twice. And then I never put them in my closet with the open end. You do not want to use that open end. You want to keep it looking seamless, so turn it around so that you're viewing the closed end of your towel. So now that we have our blank canvas, what I want to do is I wanted to give it a nice wipe down. You all know that this is one of the steps that I always incorporate when I'm clearing out a space, because it's the perfect time to get into your space and give it a nice cleaning when it's empty. So never lose out on that opportunity. And then next, it's about organizing the space. So how I'm going to do that here is I'm going to give her, the wife, towels in white. And so everyone is going to have their own shelf with their own things, and this helps keeps things in order also, because there is a accountability factor there. He has his shelf, she has her shelf, and you can clearly see who is not maintaining their part. And so he has the gray, like I said, and then she has the white. Now, as far as hand towels and washcloths, one thing that I think is key is to have something to house them in, some type of basket. And I love the metal baskets from iDesign. They're just really a beautiful look, and they're perfect for your linen closet. And so these are the hand towels, and these are going to keep her linen closet and his linen closet in order, because they have that brace that they need to keep them from falling over. And a lot of times when you just put your linens in, they can tend to just fall over. And the same for him. He has his in gray, and they're neatly stacked, and it makes it easy to put away. And you can also roll the towels if you don't want to have to fold them like your hand towels. This is a great method for kids. It's just to simply roll them and put them in the basket, but it still keeps things looking neat and orderly. And so she has her white washcloths, and he has his. And then I love these by iDesign also, because these are so kid friendly, but I thought they would be perfect in here for her hand towels that go around their sink. So she has all of those in this bin, and it's easy to get to. And then also I gave them each their bin for their products. And so it's a his bin and a hers bin. And so it keeps all the products housed together, and again, keeping that linen closet in order instead of just having things placed on the shelves, which can cause chaos. And then they love to keep their iron in the closet also, and so that has a home also in here using one of the metal baskets. So friends, another thing to think about when you're organizing your linen closet is usage. How many towels do you realistically use within a week's time? And that's what you want to keep in your linen closet, because you tend to do laundry every week, so you want to just not kind of over hoard towels. And so some people change out their towels every day, some every couple days. So, understand how you use it, and then that's what you want to implement. Again, having your hand towels and things that you like to keep for around your bathroom sink. And then also I have here for their spare sheet set, so they can easily get to it. And then all of those random products and light bulbs and things that they use within the bathroom are tucked there, and a shower caddy. So down here are all of the beach towels that they were keeping on the shelf before, but they don't access them all of the time, so they're nicely tucked in their linen closet. And so here is the before of their linen closet, and now look at their new linen closet. In no time, I was able to transform this into a closet that really functions for them. We hit that reset button. Now they have a beautiful his and her linen closet that they can easily get to their things, easily access their things, and it just really keeps life simple. And I am so happy with how it turned out. She loved it and he loved it, so I am happy. So I hope you have enjoyed seeing how I have transformed this linen closet in absolutely no time. Friends, I also would love to know, what are the colors that you like as far as your hand towels and washcloths and things like that? Please let me know in the comments. Along with, I would love for you to check out my friends at iDesign on Instagram. Their Instagram page is so inspirational, so many home organizational eye candy photos. I absolutely love it. I'll link it in the description box below. I hope you all are doing great. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.